Appropriation. Appropriation. Diverting surface water for beneficial purposes. Appropriation is the act of diverting surface water for a beneficial use. Beneficial uses may typically include domestic uses, household water needs, municipal uses, city water needs, the growing of crops, agricultural, water for livestock, water for recreation, water for wildlife, and water used in the production of power like hydroelectric generation. Appropriation is the act of diverting surface water for a beneficial use. Multiple choice question. Appropriation. A. Surface water cannot be diverted for any reason. B. Diverting surface water for beneficial purposes. C. The government process of redistributing collected taxes. D. Agreeing to a contract to the letter and to the spirit. Appropriation is B as in boy, diverting surface water for beneficial purposes.